can see this plastic now. This one was a paper cup, not a one coffee cup. I planted in there. Now it just become plastic. See, plastic is there, guys. Yeah, this I think one of the decomposable. Okay, again some plastic. So this is Kalibali becoming, and this is mine. Nursery, small nursery.
Puro kibra zaboy. Sting kalabra zaboy. Goodbye.
Muna hazap. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Asa kalam nोंथांमोनहा.
We gonna end planet. ये तो हो गया. Bye, tata. This is what. This is. Yeah. Come on. मैं साला जोर की कर रही. मेरे लिए किधर है? पाया के लिए कुछ भी नहीं आता. लो, पकड़ो. जल्दी खा लो. Reach our destination, guys, for planting.
Oh no, jungle. Bagi lebih tanaman bahasnya.
Mikas, may gusto ang pradongo kalawin ay. Daray, tay chinglang gaije. Igo po.
पूरी जुंगले कैसे अब है?
Ha? Gugu mo le.
निंटो. ये भाई कैसे ले? मंचियो. अब से ले.
मिलजुल के हम वृक्ष लगाए धरती का श्रृंगार करें
मिलजुल के हम वृक्ष लगाए धरती का श्रृंगार करें
पर्यावरण को बचाने हम जन जन को तैयार करें कहते हैं ये वेद पुराण एक वृक्ष 10.
What's up, everybody? So welcome back to the channel Nikana Nursery, and today we are trying to plant tamarind tree. Already I have planted one, so now we are having little bit doubt of planting because our garden is too small here, and tamarind tree, wow, such a huge tree it will become now in future. So I'm having doubt how to plant. So yeah, let's see. I'll see the corner place and I'll plant it. So you guys continue to see the vlog. Yeah.
Oi, mana hidung le? Hunter boy. Male versus wild. और ये कौन है? Male versus wild.
guys, my name is Nico, given by my friends name. Well, I guess the name which is given by my friends in school. We used to say Nico, what nah? Keeping names each other, not saying the real name. So you can call me Nico, yeah. Oh, let's see the bloke. Planting tamarind tree. Nare 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 nare. Okay.
Tadi Sani
Then we'll call the new bar.
Madam Farahani.
That
Ay, cháu có xin lỗi.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got.
Hey guys, what's up everybody?
Everybody.
So many mosquitoes are there, and I have planted. I sent these two of the brothers first because many mosquitoes have bited me, and they are just sting now. So that's why I sent them. And now I came back after planting. I planted 4 tamarind tree and 3 lerkos bifang na. Mana tadi lerko English ni? Oh ada. Yeah guys, if you do like the video, please do subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah.
Like kamu ba?
Udah anak satam bukan nih? Dua aja right.
Hello guys, sini darani channel ko subscribe kalam.
Anda ơi. Anda bơi ai ta đi khai à? Ta đây à bơi ai? Sungai đó ơi, ada mencip likup sungai baik.
Hi guys, so
Ada
they are my 2 younger brothers. This one is my uncle's one. There's right. So we came to plant tamarind tree, and we have planted 4 tamarind tree and 3 lerko pipang. So tamarind means cingklang, but lerko what to say with English? I don't know yet. Please comment down below if you know, and please do support and please save the nature. Plant more trees. Yeah.
Muzang
Thank you,
mo ba
guys.
comment book sa Lino?
Younger brother, I mean these 2 are my younger brother. This is my uncle one, my father one younger brother one son, so my younger brother cousin, and he's my own brother. We are all brothers now, and we came here in a garden to plant tamarind tree, 4 tamarind tree, and mamlai dekho bifang na ambai za thampai dङ na guys, ambai bidino मा होनो सानो बिफां गायनांगौ ना बुरजा ना बिफां गायनांगौ, save the nature.